Welcome to the top 7 things to look for when purchasing a used or pre-owned car. When looking for your next vehicle, you might be inclined to look for a used car before you consider buying new. This is because used vehicles offer great value for your money. They also do not depreciate as much when driven off the lot when compared to new vehicles. Although used vehicles have attractive price tags, make sure to inspect each car thoroughly before deciding to purchase it. We have outlined 7 key areas to inspect before you buy your next used vehicle. Body rust and dents. Almost every used car will have some minor scratches and dents, but some of the more serious ones may be out of sight. Check for rust in body panels that do not line up properly, as this can be a sign of poor maintenance. Suspension and tires. Push down on the sides of a car to test the health of the shocks, and ask a technician to check the tire pressure. Both of these things are quick and easy to test and could save you hundreds of dollars. Check the lights of a car to see if the lenses are faded or cracked and need to be replaced. Instrument panel. You will be able to get a good look at the instrument panel when you test drive a car. Pay attention to each gauge to see if any of them do not work properly. Heating and cooling. Turn the fans on at each speed to check if any of the settings are not working. You should also test the heating and cooling. Sometimes the heat will work but not the AC, or the opposite could happen. Under the hood. Pay attention to the fluid levels, including coolant, wiper, and oil levels. Check to see if all of the hoses and belts are looking new or in good working condition. Finally, listen to the sound of the engine for any knocking or irregularities. Pay attention to what color of smoke comes out of the exhaust pipe as you fire the car up. If it is anything other than light gray, there may be some problems with the car. There you have it. The 7 key areas to check before you decide to purchase your next used vehicle. This may not be an exhaustive list science articles, but will be a good place to start when shopping around. Thank you for watching, and please smash that like button and ring that bell.